birth registration is the first proof that that child exists. It's your first legal identity. So when a child is born, it becomes registered and receives a birth certificate. That's the first legal document. And why is this important? If you don't know how many numbers of children are born, you don't know how to plan for their health, their education in the future. So, for example, knowing the number of babies that exist in your country as a government helps to plan vaccination campaigns, or how many schools to build, or how many teachers to train. Quite often, you're going to need your birth certificate in order to get a passport, get a driver's license. It's that first document that proves that you exist, and then you can access other things. Sometimes you need a birth certificate or form of ID to open a bank account. Death registration, which is another very important statistic, and cause of death, and marriage registration. Those kinds of pieces of information about a person are really important. For example, if you're a child and your parents died, you might need to claim some kind of inheritance. We found some years ago, when HIV and AIDS was really taking a grip and killing large numbers of adults in sub-Saharan Africa, that children needed to prove who they were and who their parents were in order to inherit the land or the home that they had lived in. And it was that legal identity that they had for themselves, plus the registration or the certificates of marriage and death, that helped them claim their inheritance.